Life presents us with choices every single day. You can stay where you are, comfortable, familiar, unchanged, or you can rise just a little higher. Not all at once, not in giant leaps, but by small, steady steps. That 1% improvement may look insignificant today. It may feel like nothing at all. But let me tell you, over time, that's the very difference between standing still and achieving greatness. You don't need to leap miles overnight. You don't need to transform your entire life in a single moment. All you need is the courage to take one more step forward, just a little better than you were yesterday. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they lack consistency. Think about your mornings. How many times have you hit the snooze button, telling yourself just 5 more minutes? How many times have you scrolled endlessly on your phone, convincing yourself you're too tired to start? How often have you said, "I'll start tomorrow," only to repeat the cycle? That's not just a habit, that's a mindset. A mindset of delay, a mindset of excuses. And here's the brutal reality. Excuses don't compound. Discipline does. Warren Buffett once said, "Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." Successful people understand this. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They don't rely on motivation to strike like lightning. They build systems. They build habits. Athletes don't train only when they feel like it. They show up every single day. Writers don't wait for inspiration. They write a page, even if it's terrible. Entrepreneurs don't gamble on luck. They put in the work, brick by brick, until opportunity meets preparation. Discipline is greater than comfort. Habits are greater than excuses. 1% progress is greater than 0, always. Now imagine what happens when you commit to just 1% improvement each day. You read 10 pages of a book. In a year, you finished 3,650 pages. That's 15 to 20 books. You do 10 push-ups. In a year, you've done 3,650 push-ups, and your body is stronger, fitter, healthier. You save $1 a day. In a year, you've saved $365. Not life-changing yet, but a foundation. Small disciplines accumulate into massive transformation. And here's the hidden advantage. While others burn out chasing quick results, you're quietly compounding. While others sprint and collapse, you're building endurance. While others wait for someday, you're stacking small wins today. As James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, says, habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. So, how do you apply this? Here are 5 powerful strategies to start improving yourself 1% every day. 1. Move your body. Physical movement creates mental momentum. You don't need a marathon. Start with 10 minutes, stretching, walking, or a few push-ups. Muhammad Ali didn't count his sit-ups until they hurt, because that's when growth began. 2. Feed your mind. Read, listen to podcasts, study people ahead of you. Instead of scrolling social media, invest that time in learning. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, not because he has the time, but because he makes time. 3. Plan your day. Take 5 minutes in the morning to write down 3 priorities, not 30, just 3. As Steve Jobs said, focusing is about saying no. 4. Track your progress. What gets measured gets improved. Write it down, journal, use an app, doesn't matter how, just measure. When you track, you see growth, and growth fuels discipline. 5. Win the first hour. How you start your day shapes the rest. Replace snooze with movement. Replace scrolling with learning. Replace chaos with clarity. Robin Sharma calls it the 5 a.m. club for a reason. Own your morning, and you own your life. Here's the truth. Waking up early is not just a habit, it's a statement. Exercising daily is not just about health, it's proof of self-respect. Reading daily is not just about knowledge, it's about sharpening your weapon for life. Excuses will whisper, it's too hard, it's too late, you're too tired. But discipline will remind you, do it anyway. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about what you do once in a while, it's about what you repeat every single day. Remember, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, commit to improving yourself 1% every single day. Move your body, feed your mind, plan your day, track your progress, win your mornings. It won't feel like much at first, but give it time. Watch how your confidence grows. Watch how your energy rises. Watch how you start to believe again. The choice is yours. Stay the same, comfortable but stuck, or rise up, disciplined and unstoppable. Success is not built in a day. It's built day by day, brick by brick, habit by habit, choice by choice. Master 1% improvement, and you master life itself. So don't wait. Don't hesitate. Start today, because 1 year from now, you'll wish you had.